everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Train. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 26th to the 30th of January 2026 on Monday. Faith's apology failed to heal the rift as Ntombi blocks her from joining the Zungu family, deepening tension. Ezekiel tightened his grip on Thembisa through deception, and Molefe's flashed date threatened to expose his lies on Tuesday. Khulubuse defends Faith, forcing Sbahle to apologize and leaving Ntombi distressed. Sbahle plot for revenge. Meanwhile, Ezekiel targets Isaac, and Molefe's lies are uncovered as his false worthy facade crumbles on Wednesday. Sbahle and Sabelo plot against Faith as tension explodes into violence at the Zungu homestead. Ezekiel and Keita tighten their grip on Thembisa. Molefe digs himself deeper into trouble as his lies threaten to be exposed on Thursday. Faith questions her fortune with Khulubuse as Sabelo's violence threatens the family, and Isaac is publicly humiliated over the refuse crisis. Molefe's lies collapse when Nozipho discovers the truth and demands answers on Friday. Faith is blindsided when Ntombi agrees to accept her as a second wife. Isaac learns Ezekiel has secured the refuse tender, and Molefe's honesty earns him an unexpected second chance with Nozipho. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.